So what you will have to write here is Venus is also called the morning and evening star. So you will have to write that Venus is also called the morning and evening star because it shows up brightly in the morning and evening, just that much. So you may write the first line or may not, that is given in your book, that Venus is the brightest and hottest planet in the solar system. If you just remove this line, it will be okay. You don't need to write this line here. So the question is why Venus is called the morning and evening star. So you can simply write that Venus is called the morning and evening star as it shows up brightly in the morning and evening. That's it. It will be enough. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is the next question. The next question is, what are the different layers of Earth? What are the different layers of Earth? Oishi Mondol, unmute your device. Oishi Mondol. Yes, Oishi, unmute your device. See, I'm sending you the request. Oishi Mondol, you unmute your device.
Yes, now I can unmute me.
Yes, so you tell me the answer of this question. What are the different layers of Earth? What are the different layers of Earth?
Yes, ma'am. And the different layers of Earth is crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core.
Crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Okay, very good. Absolutely correct answer. So now let's see what is the next question. So the next question is, what is a volcano? Okay, who can tell this answer? What is a volcano? Sheikh Mohammed Sahim, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Sahim, tell me, what is a volcano?
Volcano is the opening in the earth cause for higher the hot gas and molten rocks called magma
Magma
cast
erupt
out.
erupt out. Very good. That is correct answer. I'm again telling you the answer, students. So volcano is an opening in the earth's crust from where the hot gases and molten rock called magma erupt out. So to write this answer, you will have to go to page number 86 from your science book. At that page number 86, in the section of volcanoes, the first line that is given here, it is telling us the definition of volcano. Okay, the first line that you should write. You can mark it in your book or you can also write it in the copy that you have. Okay, so very good, Sahim. That was absolutely correct answer. Okay, so let's see what is the next question that is given in your exercise. The last question, what is rotation of Earth? What is rotation of Earth? Trisha Vera, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trisha, can you tell me what is rotation of Earth?
Yes, ma'am. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation of the earth.
The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation of the Earth. Okay, very good. So your exercise, all the exercise questions and question answers are complete. Now I will ask you few more questions. Let's see who can tell me the answers. So the students who have raised their hands, I will just directly call their names and ask them the questions. Let's see, you can tell the answer or not. Shirin Alam, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Shirin, you tell me what changes in the earth are caused by the rotation of the earth. What are the changes in the earth that are caused by the rotation of the earth?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am means in the revolution, the season change. In the rotation, what change that I have to told?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I have told you in the, so these questions you will not find it in your exercise. I'm just asking you this question from inside the book. Okay. I've told it during the classes. Can you tell me? So
No,
the
ma'am.
revolution.
This question I can't tell, but other question
Okay.
I can tell.
I'm again telling you the answer. The revolution of earth, it is responsible for the changes in the seasons. Okay. Similarly, the rotation of earth, it is responsible for the changes of days and nights. Okay. In 24 hours, one time we face the day, that is called the daytime, and one time we face the night, which is dark, that is called night time, right? So the
Yes,
day
ma'am.
and night, these changes occurs due to the rotationary movement of earth, okay, or rotation of earth. Okay, this is the
Okay, ma'am.
answer.
And ma'am, I have a doubt that in this essay 2 exam there will be any project or any drawing from
No,
science.
no project will be there, but yes, drawing will be there. Draw and describe type of questions will be there. I will tell you before the exam which drawings you must practice for the draw and describe portion. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next question I will ask to Deboshmita Duwari. Once you have given the answer, lower your hand. Okay, Deboshmita Duwari. Deboshmita, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Deboshmita, you tell me how many days it takes for the earth to rotate the sun once, to rotate or to complete one one full rotation around the sun. How many time the earth takes?
The earth completes on
How much time?
in 365 1 by 4 days.
365 and 1 by 4 days. Okay, that is the correct answer. Very good.
Thank you.
Next, Nusaiba Parveen. Nusaiba Parveen. Sorry. Nusaiba, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nusaiba, you tell me what is lava? What is lava?
Lava.
Yes.
The mud that comes out from out on the earth's surface is called lava.
Very good. So the magma that comes out to the earth's surface, that is called lava. Very good.
Yes,
Absolutely
ma'am.
correct.
I have.
Yes, Nusaiba, you are telling something?
Yes, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Okay, tell me.
I cannot. I cannot know the fourth question answer. That is the different layers of the earth. Ma'am, can you tell it?
Yes, the different layers of the earth are the core, the mantle. Sorry, you write the core as the inner core, outer core, the mantle, and the crust. Inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. Okay, you can see.
Okay, ma'am. I think that
page
it
number
will
18.
be described and. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
No, just write the name. If it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
written there that describe or explain if the question is like this, draw and describe the different layers of earth, then you will have to describe. Okay, but if it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
not written that describe, then you just mention the name. Sorry.
Ma'am, I have
Now-
another doubt.
Okay, tell it quickly.
Yes, ma'am. In the D4, there is written, I have a ring around me. I have 8 planets of the sun. But, ma'am, that answer will be Saturn. But that Saturn is the 6th planet.
Okay, let me see.
Yes, ma'am. Mercury,
What you are
Venus,
telling
Earth,
about?
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn is the 6th planet. But there is
Okay,
written
question
8 planet.
number. You tell me the question number. Which question you are telling about?
Question number 4, ma'am.
Question number 4. So I have rings around me and I am the 8th
8th
planet of
planet.
the
Sun.
8th planet of the
Sun, but that will be 6th planet of the sun.
just a second. Let me just check this one. Yes, Saturn is the 6th planet of the sun. Around the sorry, in
There
the
is
solar
written
system.
8 planets.
And we all
8th
know that
planet
8th
will be
planet is the
Neptune.
Neptune, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so if it is Saturn, it will be given. And okay, in the question, it will be written that I'm the 6th planet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I cut the 8th, then I can write the 6th?
No, see, if it is written that I have rings and I'm the 8th planet, then you will have to write it will be Neptune. Okay. And if it is written that I am the 6th planet and I have rings, then you will have to write it as Saturn. Okay. Because Neptune also has rings, though it is not shown here because the rings are very small. The rings of the Saturn, that is very large. This is why it can be seen.
Okay,
but
ma'am.
but see, Neptune also have rings. How many rings? Neptune have 5 main rings, but these rings are not that much. They are not visible like that. Okay, like Saturn. So Neptune also have rings. So if the question is like this, that I have rings and I am the 8th planet, so you will write Neptune because Neptune also have rings. And if the question is I have rings and I am the 6th planet, then you will have to write Saturn. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, Nusaiba?
yes,
And
ma'am.
is it
So
clear?
this will be Neptune.
This one will be Neptune. Yes, this one will be
Okay.
Neptune. So all the students, I'm telling it to all of you that yes, Neptune also has rings, but it is not visible as clearly as Saturn because those rings are not clear and those rings are not as large as Saturn. But Neptune also have rings, 5 main rings it have. Okay. So if the question comes as I have rings and I'm the 8th planet, don't write Saturn, write Neptune. And if the question is like this, I have rings and I'm the 6th planet of the solar system, sorry, then you write Saturn. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Farzana Alam. Farzana, you unmute your device. You told me that you have some doubt.